Okay, so this is the Maybach cream that comes with all horn frames. Horn typically needs to be moistured every once in a while because it is a bone, it's a natural material, and natural materials normally need to be moistened once in a while, kind of like lotion. So this little lotion comes with a dedicated sponge. You would rub or dab this cream, and then you would apply it to your frame, and then you would do this depending on how often you wear it. If you wear it every day, you would do it once every 3 months, and if you wore it once in a while, you do it once every 6 months. And this cream is vital to keeping the glasses nice and polished and gives it a nice feel and look to it. This also prevents cracking and burning, not burning, but cracking of the, this prevents the cracking of your Maybach horn products. So definitely something you need to make sure you do. So something about the Maybach case that's really beautiful. As you can see, it's actually very soft, very cushioned, very nice feel. It has little Maybach logos all over, and again the little triangle that the Maybach logo does. As you see here, this is really nice metal embossed into the case. A very special case. You know, it's also a magnet close, which is beautiful. It adds to the luxury of the feel. The inside of it, I wish you guys could smell it on the inside. The smell on the inside smells like a new car smell. It's just so nice. And then you have this Maybach logo on the inside, and the Maybach logo on the inside, you have this little pocket here where you could keep your cloth, where you would keep your card that you would get with it, and the card goes inside here, and then the glasses with the other cloths, and then everything kind of just closes beautifully and goes back in the case, and the case just holds the eyeglass case in place. And again, it's a really nice touch is that this also has a little magnet strip, so it closes without it flopping open. A lot of attention to details done through the Maybach company. Beautiful. And then they have like extra catalogs to explain to you what your eyewear is about, what the lenses do, and how dedicated the lenses are. So really suggest you guys take a look at this brand. It's slept on big time. The luxury of Maybach eyewear is exceptional. It's like when you get a new car, they have like the same premium feel. The cloths very soft, very nice. Little textured design here on the cloth is really good too. The textured design on the cloth is stitched, and it's double cloth, usually done only for like the highest of luxury. So they took an extra step, which they always do, Maybach. They have extra thick cloth on the inside. They have this nice finish on the top. I mean, it's like very extra just for a cloth, honestly. Really nice feel. Each pair comes with a complimentary duster. So if you want to travel with it in your pocket or something, comes with a soft, and you can also double as a cleaning cloth if you ever want to use this as a cloth to clean your lenses or maybe the smudges. Really good. Ties nicely, and you put it in your jacket pocket. Okay, let's get into the meat and potatoes. Alright, so every pair comes like this. Comes with an authorized card. The numbers here usually match, not usually, always match the frame. The frame has a special certification number. Comes with this hologram, licensed by Daimler, which Maybach is made by. So Maybach. Okay. So over here, what we see here is the Independence 2 in green horn. Really beautiful frame. Very hard to really make this frame with the color scheme that they have, but it's absolutely gorgeous. This green jade finish in buffalo horn, little Maybach logo right there, the little negative space in between. Super high polish finish as well. Beautiful interior. It has this nice let's see what kind of wood this is on the inside. I can't make it out, but it looks like a very nice finish from I would just say almost like a coffee color wood on the interior, or buffalo horn I should say. And then it has this beautiful green finish horn with the design of the pattern. It's beautiful. And this is the Independence 2 from Maybach in Buffalo Horn. This is for purchase on our website, or if you'd like to pre-order them in different colors. They come in 2 sizes. They come one in a, I believe this is a 52, or I'm sorry, a 49, and then one comes in a 50, 54, or 56 for the bigger size people. This is for the smaller. Really, really nice feel. Very, very nice texture. I personally could see someone wearing this throughout the year. This is a really great pair of sunglasses. Amazing quality, and then the lens is nice and dark. It's about a 90% brown gradient to about a, I'd say maybe about 10 or 30%. Very, very nice finish from Maybach. And again, just to show you all the little work that they do here. Maybach here. It's kind of like the little plate that you have when you walk into your car. Maybach logos here. Maybach logos there. And then again, the green color is it's just beautiful. Nothing really on the market like this. And then the elegance is very nice.